satisfying.
That's on video. Hey, Miss Campisi. Mr. Hopkins, Miss Campisi, Mr. Bald here over at our Pickleweed Toddler Restoration area. Felix, what are you up to?
I'm commencing the operation Make Pickleweed Pens and plant stuff in them.
So you're snipping the pens to make sure that we have our
Yes,
circles.
Very satisfying.
Awesome. Sophie, what are we're doing right over here? Zip tying the stakes? Excellent. So we're constructing these first.
And suddenly.
What's going on, Declan?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Something. Come say hi.
It looks like you're digging. It looks like you're not.
A hole.
Oh, okay. Declan is digging a hole.
Going to China.
So
I planted my.
So Alondra, he's digging a hole so we can plant our pickleweed inside our pens.
And then this is how it looks like.
Oh, nice. Packing the soil.
Packing the soil extra.
Loosening so we make sure that the pickleweed, the roots stay with. And look who we have here. We got Mr. Waddell.